A flap sander is highly useful for many unusual sanding tasks around your shop, and it's really pretty easy to make your own. The process starts at the drill press by using a circle cutter to make a 4-inch disc out of 3/4 ply. You'll get the best results by cutting about halfway through on one side, then flipping the part over and cutting the rest of the way through from the other side. The pilot bit will keep everything aligned for you. A pattern of 16 3/8-inch holes around the inside perimeter of the disc is next laid out and then drilled. These are for holding the strips of sandpaper, so a 16th-inch wide slot is cut from the outside perimeter of the disc into each of the holes. These slots must be wide enough to accommodate 2 layers of the sanding strip you intend to use. The edges of the holes are then beveled slightly to make it easier to slide the sanding strips in and out. The shaft is made by cutting the tip off an inexpensive hex drive bit and simply pounding it into the 1/4-inch hole made by your circle cutter. 3/4 or 1-inch wide sanding roll material is used to make the sanding flaps, and are held in place with 5/16-inch square pegs. A 4-inch strip of the sanding roll is folded in half, formed tightly around the peg by hand, then gently worked into the hole in the flap sanding disc, making sure that both the sanding flap and its retaining peg are seated properly in the disc. The flap sander mounts easily to a drill using a quick chuck, and is ready to do a variety of tasks around my shop. It's easy and inexpensive to make, so you can keep as many as you want around the shop, all set up with different grits. And you can even cut the individual strips lengthwise for finer sanding work. When the flaps are dull, they're easy to change out. Simply slide the retaining peg out of the hole and remove the sanding strip. Mold the new strip around the peg the same way you did when you originally set it up, and slip the new strip into place, resetting the peg as you go. You'll find yourself using your flap sanders on a variety of projects all over your shop. You'll find all your sanding supply needs and more great ideas like this by visiting our website at www.2sand.com.